Our topic is all about adjective. The adjective is often defined as a word which describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives describe nouns in terms of such qualities as size, color, number, and kind. For example, the lazy dog sat on the rug. The word lazy is an adjective which gives more information about the noun dog. Adjectives have three forms called degrees of comparison: the positive adjectives, comparative adjectives, and the superlative adjectives. The positive adjective is the simple form of the adjective without expressing increase or diminution of the original quality. Adjectives expressive of properties or circumstances which cannot be increased have only the positive form. For example, Jennifer Lawrence is beautiful. Comparative adjectives. The comparative adjective is that form of the adjective which expresses increase or diminution of the quality. For example, dog is bigger than cat. Superlative adjectives. The superlative adjective is that form which expresses the greatest increase or diminution of the quality. An adjective is in the superlative form when it expresses a comparison between one and a number of individuals taken separately. For example, Paris is the most romantic city in the world. Predicate adjective. A predicate adjective is an adjective that functions as a predicate. For example, Song Joong Ki is handsome. Descriptive adjectives can be divided into different categories such as colors, sizes, sound, taste, touch, shapes, qualities, time, personality, and ages. The following lists provide a few examples of descriptive adjectives in each of their categories. Opinion. An opinion adjective explains what you think about something. Examples: silly, beautiful, horrible, difficult. Size. A size adjective, of course, tells you how big or small something is. Example: large, tiny, enormous, little. Age. An age adjective tells you how young or old something or someone is. Examples: ancient, new, young, old. Shape. A shape adjective describes the shape of something. Examples: square, round, flat, rectangular. Origin. An origin adjective describes where something comes from. Examples: French, lunar, American, Eastern, Greek. Material. A material adjective describes what something is made from. Examples: wooden, metal, cotton, paper. Purpose. A purpose adjective describes what something is used for. These adjectives often end with ing. Examples: sleeping, roasting,